How to speed up your Shopify store speed. What you have to do is just follow me till the end and you're good to go. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can speed up your Shopify store. So what you have to do is just go to this settings option, and once you land over here, just scroll down until you see this apps and sales channel, and try limiting the number of apps that you have. Just download only the apps that you want and uninstall the other. Like I'm going to uninstall this point of sale or something. So just keeping the apps that you really need is a factor that can like speed up your store speed. And then just cross over here once you are done with this option, and then go to this themes option, and once you land over here, just scroll down until you see this explore free themes. And once you see over here, these are some themes. Just try choosing 2.0 themes that are supported by Shopify, and once you choose some themes that are like free and supported by Shopify, and here you can see that these are some recommended ones and by Shopify. If you choose these, they are going to like speed up your Shopify store. And if you want to like explore more themes, just click visit theme store. And once you click visit theme store, interface is going to load, and what you have to do is just wait for it to load and be patient, and just scroll down over here, and here you can see that these are some paid ones, and these can like affect store speed. Like they could be affecting your store speed in any factor. So that's what you can like do to speed up your store speed. So I hope you liked the process and understood it, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.